Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to create this romantic Valentine's look. As you can see, I use very soft colors in the eyes and the lips, but the skin, can we just talk about the skin? It looks so good, so rich, dewy. I did not make the skincare routine part of this video though. However, you guys can always let me know in the comments below if you want to see more like the skincare routine or how I prep my skin before makeup. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I already prepped my skin and it's super glowy and dewy because like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I do want to be super glowy and dewy because it's a romantic look for Valentine's. So if you want to see how I actually prep my skin before makeup, you can definitely let me know in the comments below. So I'm going to go in directly with my foundation, and this one is a Super Stay by Maybelline New York. This is in the shade 312. So I'm going to apply it right in my whole entire face using my foundation brush. And I am loving this foundation because it's super full coverage and it lasts a really long time. And not only that, but it makes my skin look super good. Like it's not cakey at all, if that makes sense. Like it's super good and lightweight, and it has that full coverage that I love so much. So I'm just like tapping it and blending. Alright, for my concealer, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Creamy Beige. So I'm not going to go super dramatic on it. I'm just going to apply it right under my eyes and my nose. Alright, and just to blend this out, I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge. This is for Morphe. I'm just going to pat it right under my eyes, just to kind of brighten up this area too. So to add a little bit of contour, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline New York Fit Me Stick Foundation. This is in the color 355, so it is pretty abused, as you can see. But I really like this to contour with because it's super easy to blend. So I'm going to go in and I'm just going to add a little contour lines here. And just a little bit in my forehead. And then for my nose, I'm actually going to grab my very known brush. And I'm going to draw two lines to contour my nose. And then I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just kind of like blend this out and moving it upward. And then taking this concealer brush, I'm going to go in and buff this out more. So now to set my under eye, I'm going to go in with the Infallible Pro Matte. This is the pressed powder and this is in 100. And I'm just going to dip into this. And I'm going to apply it right under my eye. And this is going to be for my bright area. So now for my nose, I like to pick a smaller brush for my nose, and I'm just gonna add a little, just to kind of set the concealer there. There you go. I'm just gonna add it right here. That's perfect. And a little bit right there. Just whatever is left on the brush, right in my tear duct and the rest of my eye to kind of set the concealer. To set my contour, I'm going to go in with the Milani Bronzer All Over Glow. And I'm going to take this fluffy brush. This is from Real Technique. So I'm just going to apply this in my contour area to kind of like bronze out and then contour at the same time. Alright, moving on to my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Dose by Juvia, and the colors I'm going to be using mainly for this look is this one. And the color that I'm going to be using is called Puff. This rosy color, pink. It's so pretty. I'm going to do a little swatch. Ooh, look at that. So freaking pigmented, and it's so freaking pretty. Alright, so to apply the eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be using my fingers. Believe it or not, guys, fingers, oh my gosh, makes a huge difference on the eyeshadow application. So if you want to see the most color payoff of a palette, use your fingers, guys. It is definitely worth it. It's so much easier, so creamy. You guys will see. But for this look, I'm actually going in with my fingers because I really love the way this color looks when I apply it with my fingers. Alright, I'm gonna dip into this. I'm just gonna apply it directly to my eyelid. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and I'm just gonna clean up the edges right here. And I feel so weird not using a transition color, guys. I'm so used to like grab a transition color before any eyeshadow, but not on this one. Today is like so different. I feel so weird. Alright, so I'm gonna take a little smaller brush and it looks just like this, and I'm gonna dip into the same color and I'm just gonna grab a little bit to put it in my tear dot. There you go. Alright, so moving on to my liquid eyeliner, I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner. This is in the color black. So I like to start off by drawing the wing first. Alright, so now that my wing is pretty much done, I'm going to go in and start off in the center. And then from here, I'm going to take this as a guide and I'm going to connect it. And then I just like to fill it in. Alright, so the lashes I'm using today are the Lily Lashes X Sephora. So these ones are from their collection and they are in the style Miami. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this detail brush. This is a precise shader brush. And I'm going to dip into this color right in here from this palette. This is the 15N from Morphe. And I'm going to apply this right under my waterline. This is pretty much just going to make my eyes look like so big, but without having super dramatic look, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to apply it right here. So basically this is just going to be kind of like my shadow there. Like creating like a little bit of shadow there just to open up the eyes more. And last but not least, I'm going to go in my lower lashes with the Tarte Light Splashes Camera Mascara. Alright, so now that my eyes are officially done, I'm going to go back to my face and finish up. So for that, I'm taking the Milani powder blush, and this is in Tea Rose, and I'm just gonna catch up my smile right here. So moving on to my highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Leica Give Me Glow. This is in the color Iconic Bronze. I'm just gonna apply this right here. I'm really happy with this look, and I'm really happy that it's super dewy and glowy. And then I'm just gonna apply the rest in my forehead, right in this area right here on top of my brow, just to kind of like have the little shine through, you know. And to complete this look, I'm going to go in with this combo right here. This is from I Love Sarai X Colourpop collection. This is the lip liner and this is the liquid lipstick. And both of them are curvy. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it just as much I did. I am really happy the way this turned out. So nice when you get to see this kind of makeup where your face looks super dewy and glowy reach, you know. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you want to see like skincare routines, or like what do I use to prep my skin before a makeup. Have a day during the daytime on Valentine's Day. Definitely this is a look that you can consider wearing on that day. And not only that, but it's so easy to convert it into a nighttime if you have something going on during the nighttime, like a romantic dinner or whatever it might be. Just throwing some dark shadows in the outer corners, and then you'll be good to go. Change your lips to like a red, or change your lips to something a little darker. And I hope that you guys like it, and please, if you did, give me your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the ring bell notification so you can also get notified every time I upload new videos. And again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and happy Valentine's from me to you. I love you, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.